How is everybody doing? My name is Dennis. It's a pleasure to be back, and it's a pleasure to share another wonderful trade. Helped out by 13marketmoves, senior trader Chris. And I got to say 100% to Chris. He helped me out with this trade. He helped me out with this immaculate execution. And just being awesome support partner within this trade. Domino's Pizza, October 9th. We took the trade right after the earnings. Let's get into it. I actually signed up with 13marketmoves 2 weeks ago. I started it with $10,000. And the account right now is absolutely slowly growing. It's up to 30,000. And we took the Domino's trade on the Friday. And we actually definitely nailed it again. I want to say thank you to 13marketmoves Formula. Thank you to Chris. And any of you who still have doubts of 13marketmoves, this is real true story that me blowing up at least a couple accounts before I started with them. And then I pulled up the trigger to give them a chance, and this is it. Thank you again. Looking for more trades to come up with you guys, and I will definitely record more videos for you. Thank you again. Thank you, Chris. Let's trade like a rock star.
Oh, I'm such a shit!